Hey digital artists, ready to bring your characters to life with 2D animation on your iPad? In this incredible Domestika Basics course, Brookes Eggleston, a seasoned character designer and animator, teaches you how to create stunning animations using Procreate Dreams. This course is perfect whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills. Through 6 comprehensive modules, Brookes covers everything from the basics of Procreate Dreams to advanced animation techniques. You'll begin with setting up your canvas, exploring layers and mastering brushes. Then, you'll dive deeper into character design, storyboarding, and crafting animations that pop off the screen. Brookes brings over a decade of experience in the industry, working on projects like the animated series Stormfellers. He's also known for his educational YouTube channel, Character Design Forge, where he inspires thousands of artists. Now he's here to guide you step by step in this Domestika course to unlock your full creative potential. You'll learn the secrets behind creating smooth animations, timing and spacing, and even how to use techniques like onion skinning and motion guides for precision in your movements. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills to animate full sequences with mixed media techniques, add those extra details that give your work a professional finish, and export them to share with the world. Whether you're aiming to animate characters, craft storyboards, or simply bring more creativity into your digital art, this course has something for everyone. And the best part? No prior knowledge is required, just a desire to learn. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get started, and don't forget to use the coupon RODLEVEL10 for an exclusive discount. Jump into the world of Procreate Dreams and start animating today.